Welcome to Personal Finance Power, where we turn smart habits into lasting wealth. Want to get rich in 2025? It's not about luck, it's about daily choices. In this video, we're breaking down 10 simple habits that can completely transform your financial future this year. Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss practical tips to build your income and your future. 1. Pay yourself first before you spend on bills, shopping, or entertainment. Pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income the moment you receive it. Put it in a savings or investment account before touching the rest. This habit ensures you're consistently building wealth. Over time, this small act becomes a powerful financial foundation. It forces you to live below your means and prioritize your future self. 2. Track every dollar you spend. Wealthy people know exactly where their money goes. Use apps like You Need a Budget, Mint, or even a simple spreadsheet to track your spending daily. This habit reveals leaks in your finances like forgotten subscriptions or unnecessary splurges. Awareness is the first step toward control. It also helps you realign spending with your priorities. When you're intentional, you naturally save and invest more. 3. Read 10 pages of a financial book daily. In 2025, knowledge is leverage. Reading just 10 pages a day adds up to 12 to 15 books a year. Focus on personal finance, investing, and mindset. Books like The Millionaire Next Door, Rich Dad Poor Dad, or The Psychology of Money can shift your thinking forever. The habit is small but transformative. It builds confidence, reduces fear of money, and helps you make smarter decisions. 4. Invest automatically every month. Set up auto investments into index funds, exchange-traded funds, or retirement accounts. Even if it's just $50 per month, consistency beats timing the market. Use platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Wealthfront to simplify the process. Automating your investments removes emotion and procrastination. Over time, this builds a solid foundation for wealth through compounding. 5. Surround yourself with money-minded people. You become like the people you spend the most time with. If you hang out with spenders, you'll overspend. But if you're around savers, investors, or goal setters, you'll level up. Join financial communities, online forums, or networking groups focused on growth. The conversations you hear will shape your habits. They'll inspire new ideas, hold you accountable, and offer support during setbacks. 6. Avoid high-interest debt at all costs. Credit card debt, payday loans, and buy now pay later schemes destroy wealth. The interest eats away your future. Make it a strict rule. If you can't pay in full, don't buy it. Use a debit card or cash for daily spending. If you already have debt, prioritize paying it off aggressively, especially anything above 10% interest. 7. Wake up 1 hour earlier for daily planning. Getting up just 1 hour earlier than usual can change everything. Use this time to plan your day, review your goals, or work on a side hustle. It's quiet, focused time with no distractions. Most wealthy people protect their mornings for thinking, strategy, or creation. When you start your day with intention, you stay in control. You can align your schedule with your long-term goals instead of reacting to life. 8. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on one paycheck is risky. In 2025, you can start a blog, launch a YouTube channel, sell digital products, do affiliate marketing, or freelance all online. Even small side hustles like selling on Etsy or tutoring can grow over time. The goal is to diversify income so you're never financially vulnerable. Each new stream is a step closer to freedom. 9. Say no more often to things that don't matter. Time and energy are limited. Saying yes to every invitation, expense, or opportunity dilutes your focus. Rich people guard their time and say no to distractions. Learn to decline without guilt. Whether it's skipping a shopping spree, unsubscribing from promotions, or turning down low-value projects, protect your goals. Every no makes space for a bigger yes later. 10. Review your finances weekly without fail. Set a money date with yourself every week. Look at your income, expenses, debts, goals, and investments. Are you on track? What needs adjusting? This simple habit keeps your finances top of mind. Most people avoid money until it's a problem, but wealth builders face it weekly. Reviewing often prevents surprises, builds confidence, and motivates action. Getting rich starts with the right habits: consistent, smart actions done daily. Which habit are you going to commit to first? Drop it in the comments. If this video gave you the push you needed to take control of your finances, be sure to like and subscribe for more wealth building tips and real strategies to level up in 2025. Let's grow together.